Hello YouTube! So this is actually the second time I record this voiceover. I exported the video and edited it till it was finished, and then I exported it, and sadly I don't know where it went, but it wasn't on my PC anymore. I searched in every folder and I don't know just where it went. So always save your files, always save your current program, and so that you don't have to deal with this. This is actually the last Inktober video of 2020. The prompts were from the official Inktober list. It was Dune, I guess, and from my personal Inktober list it was post-apocalyptic. And I think at the end of Inktober, well, I actually just went till 14, but I don't know. I really wasn't motivated anymore, and I just wanted to get done with it and finish it. And so I just went with my comfort zone and then just painted and drew what I like the most, and that's just people from the front in a random standing position. The standing pose varies, but it's always really easy, and some might say boring, but I really adore it, and I also enjoy painting it. So I think it was a little bit relaxing after the stressful days from Inktober. And if you wonder what this is at the bottom of the page, I actually threw some coarse or sea salt in there, so it makes a nice effect on the ink. And after it is dry, you can just wipe the salt flakes away, or you can just collect them and use them for the next time. That's what I do, so you don't just throw away food. I'm just darkening the values and just adding a little more details, and then I think we're going into the next one, which will be from my Inktober list. It was Viking, and from the official Inktober list it was Armor. I don't know if I show you there how I wipe away the salt. I don't think I did. It's just, you just collect it, and or you could also use a small brush which has really tight bristles, and so it's easier to wipe them off. So as I mentioned before, I was kind of in my comfort zone also drawing the second one, so Inktober number 14, which was Viking and Armor. Seems like I just wasn't inspired anymore because I didn't really pay attention to the background, or I didn't really do something with the background. It's pretty simple, and it's just kind of a gradient from darker to lighter colors, like in the previous picture as well. Well, at least there was a dune in the background, and there is just kind of, I don't know what this is supposed to be, fog perhaps. And I wonder why I cut off her legs. It would be better, I think, at least in my opinion, if I had drawn her a dress, or if I had drawn her with her full body on the sheet. So now it just looks like, I don't know, somebody took a photo of her and her legs didn't make it on the photo. I actually really like this piece, although it's pretty simple, and I was inspired a lot by googling just Vikings, and then of course a lot of the pictures that popped up were from the series Vikings. I actually didn't watch it. I watched the first 2 episodes, I think, but then I don't know. It wasn't just for me. But I really like this person, and I like her sword, and I like that I put a little bit of blood in there. I think that makes it more interesting, and it stands out because it's the darkest color. And yeah, the rest of the painting or drawing is really, really light. And also for the belt, I was inspired a lot by a picture that I found online. And I know it's not really an armor, but I took some creative freedom, if you can say so. And I just basically painted what I wanted to. Yeah, I don't know if... Yeah, I guess shield maidens had some armor with them. But she doesn't even have a shield, so she's just a sword maiden, I think. If that was even a thing, I don't think so. And the little jar on the left is not really ink. Well, it is obviously ink, but it is diluted with water. So I do have a mid-tone in there that I can easily use. Also for different paintings. Because if you leave ink uncovered, it will dry out. So these were the last paintings from Inktober. I hope you enjoyed them, and I'll talk to you soon then. Bye guys.